In Delhi, what we're learning is breaking news right now. A check-in on the effect of the fog as a thick layer of fog has engulfed the national capital. Train operations have been impacted. Flight operations, remember, earlier were local pilots following safety protocols have been affected. Several trains coming towards station in Delhi are running late. As we told you earlier, the Delhi airport has issued an advisory. It said that the flights that are not CAT 3 compliant, remember CAT 3 is what allows planes to fly in these conditions. Those planes that are not compliant to it may get affected due to fog in Delhi. Let's just go over to our colleague Anshul to understand a little bit more about what that means. Anshul, in the last few years, the city and the city's airports have done a lot to prepare themselves for conditions exactly like this, opening new runways, making sure that some flights can be operative. Just tell us a little bit more about that and then tell us how the fog will still affect the current operations in certain areas.
Well, yes, there has been a lot of infrastructure improvement that has happened, especially out here in the national capital, along with that other airports in and around this area as well, where it is somewhere or the other being, it has been tried that the delays that happened due to fog and other conditions, this is reduced in some way or the other. Their effects are seen on ground, but yes, since the fog is so very dense, was so very dense this morning, hence a few flights have gotten affected. Train movements have also gotten affected. But at this point in time, as you speak, the situation is clearing up as the sun is coming out. The visibility is constantly increasing. Now, what the IMD predicts at this point in time, that over the next few days, in fact, the next entire week, it is very, very likely that the weather conditions would remain exactly the same. In fact, the temperatures are likely to go down, which means that the fog conditions are going to increase out here in the national capital. So the next few days, Delhi is going to see what it is famous for, that is Delhi ki sardi. And now, finally, the winters are over here, and such kind of reports are going to come in and day out, because the intensity of winters this time around is predicted to be higher as the tenure is shorter for winter season this time in the national capital.
Thank you, Anshul, for bringing us those updates. We'll keep checking in with Anshul and other reporters who are telling us right now about the situation.